Get out. No, out. Get out. This is just the puppies. What is he doing in the back there? Where are you going? Leave them alone. What are you doing on the bed? You thought you were going to sneak in there? Huh? Get down! Get off of him. Well, that's what you get for getting up with the puppies. Yeah. Are you teaching them new puppy French? Is she nibbling on your neck? What is this, doggy vampire? Hey, see a doggy vampire? Stop chewing them. You're not going to eat your kin. Look at you, pretty face. Oh, what has he got? He's got the bone. Does he have the bone? Does he have the bone? Where's the bone? You don't know. Gonna bite your brother's ear? Oh, look who's getting his winky washed. As she cleans her ears. What is she doing to you? What are you doing, LJ? You're biting your mummy's neck? Look at Twist and Rainbow. They're looking at the other side of the camera. Yeah, you like those boobs, eh? They smell good. What's Aunt Cookie doing to LJ? Oh, he's free. What's up, LJ? You want to say hello? You want to say hello to your people? Hmm? You want to say hello to your fans? Oh, don't bite his nuts. Oh, you're biting his ass. Biting his ass and his nuts. Oh. It's not easy puppy wrestling. It's no holds barred. She's watching. She's watching Max. She's watching Nemo. Good. She's watching. She's a watcher. She's a watcher. She's gonna watch him. She's gonna stare at him, chew that. Are they interrupting your staring thing? No, you like them. You like Big Benji. She's got LJ stuck underneath there, and she's trying to bite you. Oh, you almost fell off. You almost fell off. Poor LJ. You're getting pounded on, LJ, by the big dogs. Better get out of there. And Rainbow, she's just watching. She's watching Nemo. She knows how to get out. You know what you're doing, don't you? Yeah. You're a smart little girl. What are you uffing about? Oh, don't roll on her. What are you trying to show off? Hey! Get down! You're not even supposed to be there in the first place. You want to start showing off? Is that what you're doing? You trying to show off? Hey, bud. Where you going, bud? Little J. Little J. Don't dare. What did you take her away from watching Nemo for? She was having fun watching Nemo, weren't you? Were you having fun watching Nemo? Would you rather watch Nemo? She'd rather watch Nemo. She can watch Nemo. Cookie, stop being so dominant. Ow! Thanks for kicking me in the face.